My name is Ponifasio Vasa. I'm the president / chairman of Lakapī Liki Sāmoa, and I've been involved with Lakapī Liki since 2003 up until now as a player, and up until now as an administrator. And I'm also privileged to say that I'm also the Associate Minister of Sports and Recreation. It means a lot. As you can tell from everyone was in the room, it means a lot to not just Lakapī Liki Sāmoa, but the Pacific. We're so grateful of the opportunity that Australia, through Auckland, through Australian Rugby League Commission, is able to help strengthening the rugby league in the Pacific, and using rugby league as a vehicle to bring together youth and provide opportunities, break down barriers, and bring them together, especially from the grassroots level. Obviously, here in Australia, there's a lot of opportunities, and then we have the raw talent in the Pacific, in our nations, but we don't have resources. And then we're glad that although that the government of Australia had announced this initiative back in 2024, but we were like a little bit blurred at that time. We didn't really know that when it's gonna become reality. But today is, everything was delivered, and then we're so grateful of the opportunity.
And how powerful was it that Australia was able to bring everyone under one room?
Yeah, as being said in that room, like the government of Australia through the Commission, Australian Rugby League Commission, managed to bring together 4 powerful Pacific nations, and bringing together four prime ministers under the same roof it says a lot.
All right. There was talking there about what Samoa did in the World Cup in 2022, where 99 days for the first game. How excited and how inspired will Samoa be?
Yeah, very exciting, but at the same time very challenging, because there's one thing of getting up there and at the top, and there's also one thing of trying and maintain it up there. So I think from the supporters, very exciting, very looking forward to the challenge. But from us administrators and the coaches and players, there's a big challenge ahead.
During the World Cup, Samoa's going to play up in Papua New Guinea. That's going to be a huge occasion.
Very huge, very huge. We have a small community in PNG, but having our co-captain Jerome Luai sign the Chiefs, I think that's another push in our preparation. So we sort of have the support from the locals, the PNG, as you have heard today from the PNG Prime Minister. So it's a win-win situation for us in terms of preparation.
And just a message to all the Samoan fans, why Rugby League Cup is so important to get behind.
Sorry?
Message to all of our Samoan fans, why is the Rugby League World Cup?
Rugby League is more than just a game. More than just a game. Bringing everyone together. And share the same vibe. At the same time, we providing opportunities for our people.
And key games that you're looking forward to in the Rugby League World Cup?
Every game is a key game. Every game. We gotta stay focused from day one until the end. And we're gonna be in the World Cup until the last game. But we take each game one by one.
And a message to all our Samoan fans around the world to get behind our teams.
Yeah, ole taro sanga lava na tasi talo tato tunu ina ia mana tua ane ta penanga Lakapī Liki Sāmoa I taro sanga mana tapo inga o pu masanya le tunu ele siri le ta ina I do ta poi. Yeah, te talo fo tato tunu mo I lava ole e fo linga le tato ta penanga yalo mfa na o Samoa. Ia tato te tu lava ile tua. Tato ta pena lava maloto mawalalo. Ina ia hae manu fata maswali inga alum whanau ia mausevi inga o lea tua ia ai tu mati e Samoa I whaangata mo Lakapī Liki.